Welcome to 635 16th Avenue South here in Surfside Beach, known as the Family Beach. This home is so awesome. I can't wait to show it to you. You are just steps away from walking down to restaurants. You can golf cart or walk to the beach from this home. We are east of Business 17 here in Surfside Beach. It's a nice street, love it. You've got plenty of yard space here in the front of the home. As you can see, there is a wonderful screened porch across the front of the home, allowing you to sit out and enjoy a nice breeze and be able to see the neighbors and talk to folks and just enjoy this salt air life. On the underside of this house, oh my gosh, it's just phenomenal. We have two storage areas. Let's see if we can go around because that door is locked. See if we can get into that storage. Now you can see that the driveway easily supports 3 cars across. You can park one partially under on that side, and then you've got space on this side to park an entire car under. This is a Highlander parked under here. As we come through, you'll see there is screened wire there, and that is because right behind it is the coolest room. You guys are going to love this. We have a storm door coming in to our Tiki Bar area. Is this not cute? It's got a ceiling fan, a little surfboard on the ceiling. I love the beach style of this home. This is a great place for entertaining. Now, I just showed you the screened wire, which is right behind those boards. They take these boards down in the summertime so that the breeze will come through. But if you prefer privacy, they leave them up in the wintertime for that privacy back here and your very own little tiki hut with your little tiki bar. Now we're going to go over to the storage that I mentioned a minute ago. And you'll notice there's a great workbench all the way across the back. So if you've got a handyman in the house, that is a perfect setup for doing those jobs, odd jobs or jobs around the home. They've got places for everything. This is a huge storage. Now that door comes open back there. Okay. So that goes back out to the front where I just showed you. All right, so if we go straight through the Tiki Bar over on the other side of the home, we have, yes, another storage area. This is where our laundry is very nicely set up. They even have an extra fridge down here, so there's room for whatever you need. This side actually has the plumbing for a downstairs little bath area off your shower, whatever, off of your backyard, which would come in really handy if you were going to do something like maybe a built-in swimming pool. This house supports that. You'll notice there's even more under the home space for entertaining here as we come past the Tiki Bar. And then wait till you see the showers. Loving this house. Alrighty, so inside the shower we have the shower, and not just one shower, but guys, take a look at this. There are 2 shower heads that come down on you. Isn't that cool? We have the bench at the back, place for your shampoos, and then they've even got a hookup for spraying the shower room out and washing your feet coming off that beach. Past the shower room, we have, yes, more storage area under the home. Or you can set up an area with a picnic table. Just let your imagination run wild. Coming into the side of the home, there's a double opening gate. Coming down, you could fit a boat here or SUV, whatever you need to park there, you could put there, and maybe an RV if you like camping and traveling, although I don't know why you would leave Paradise. I think they have misnamed this area Should have been named Paradise. Look at this backyard. It's huge. You can fit any size pool you want back here. And then on the other side of the house, you have the same scenario with space beside your home. All right. Let's take a walk over here on this side. And like I said, even under here, space for whatever you might want to set up off of your backyard entertainment area, whatever you decide to do with it. We have a deck, and coming up to even a second deck, and then that goes into the back of the house, where I'll show you in a moment. There's a beautiful sunroom. Alrighty, so, and then we have yet another deck on the back as well. Let's take a trip upstairs and take a look inside the home. The 7th step up, we've got a great landing, so you don't get exhausted, worn out coming up the stairs. And then we go up the other half. 7 more, and you are at your storm door coming into your home. And this storm door opens into that porch. This whole porch, the length of your house, screened in. You see someone riding a bike down on the road. And the storm door also has the screen inside the door where you can raise and lower the window if you would like more air coming in. We have 2 ceiling fans in the screen porch. And then windows coming into the home on either side of the door, making it very light inside. So we have another storm door, and then our door with, again, the panes in it, allowing that natural light to come into your home. I love the etchings on either side of the door. Those are just beautiful. The colors in this home are fabulous. This home has just been so cutely decorated. We need to hire her to come decorate for us. All right, so we have a ceiling fan here. We do have flat ceilings. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. So as you can see, we come through the den and can see the kitchen from your den area. And then on behind that, it's opened up into a sunroom, or you could use it as a dining room, whichever your preference might be. Let's take a left first, go into our first bedroom. These are nice, large bedrooms with plenty of room for whatever size beds you want to put into them. We have carpeting in this room, ceiling fan, 2-inch vinyl blinds in the windows, vinyl windows, and then we come into a Jack and Jill bath between the 2 bedrooms. We have tile up from the tub, and then the shower. Very cutely decorated again. And we have a pedestal sink. And then coming into the next bedroom, this is such a cute little kid's bedroom. Love, love, love it. So plenty of room, as you can see, to put beds on either side with lots of walk space between. And I love the way they have the dressers under the beds in here, saving them a little more room. Lots of natural light. This room does look out into your backyard. And the closets inside the rooms are a nice depth as well. They are packing up to leave, so you can make this home yours. We do have another ceiling fan in this room. We have 6-panel doors, as you notice. And then coming into the kitchen, we have tiled flooring, beautiful cabinetry and counters where we have this gorgeous granite, love the choice, beadboard along the sides of our islands so that you can put the stools and it wipes off so easily if somebody happens to kick against it. On the other side of the home, and let me show you again, that beautiful wood flooring in the den area. That's a beautiful bamboo wood flooring. And we have 2 ceiling fans in the den. So let's start at the front room. Coming through. Again, you'll notice a king-size bed. Plenty of room for dressers. Again, we have the carpeting, ceiling fan, beautiful colors in the walls, and again, a nice deep walk-in closet for this room. Coming through, another Jack and Jill bedroom with bathroom, with the tile in the floor. Another tub shower. I love these cute vintage style bathrooms. They are adorable. And then we do have the window letting that natural light in. Beautiful pedestal sink. Shelving. They've just thought of everything. And then we come into the last bedroom, which has tiled flooring. No ceiling fan in this one, but very nice light coming in through the window that goes out onto another spacious deck. Okay, we have a closet here. And then coming back out of this room over into the kitchen. Notice the pull-down faucet on the sink. You do have the double sink. Stainless appliances. The cute whitewash cabinetry. Really cute and beachy. And then our dishwasher. And even on the back of the bar, you have lots of storage. Once again. Nice big light in your kitchen. Looking back out, this open concept going into your den and on out to your screened porch. And a bar over into the dining room, sunroom, whatever you'd like to make it. With more bar stools. So you've got plenty of room for people to sit and eat and talk and be separated if you want to be, or together if you want to be. This room is one that has a vaulted ceiling, plenty of natural light coming in through all the windows. Back over to the left here, you'll see the decks coming out into the backyard. That's that double deck that I showed you already. And then on this side of the home, we have yet another deck coming out out of this room. We do have the between the panes bars for easy cleaning on the windows, and then the deck is very spacious, private deck that can only be accessed through this slider door here. Again, letting in that natural light that is absolutely awesome. We have a pantry to the left. Lots of space for your food items, along with so many cabinets here in the kitchen make this the perfect home for you. I don't think this home will last long. It has so many extras. The backyard is absolutely beautiful, allowing you, if you'd like, to put a pool back here or decorate it as however you'd like. Looking down off these double decks here, I've got the deck up and the deck lower on this side. Look at that backyard. That is just beautiful. Already ready for you, whatever your needs might be. This is gorgeous. There is a propane tank here. It is not being used, but it is an owned propane tank. It is not a rented tank. Here. So coming back in, looking down through the home, very spacious, open concept. Call us today. Make this your oasis at the beach, and we'll see you with toes in the sand.